Microsoft has reimagined AI with their latest updates to Copilot, an AI designed to be your personal companion, offering support, information, and even a touch of empathy. Copilot is not just another virtual assistant. It's engineered to understand your life, your goals, and your daily challenges. Today, we're diving into how Copilot is changing the way we interact with AI and what this means for you. Imagine an AI that helps you navigate life's complexities, whether it's preparing for a big meeting, reminding you about a doctor's appointment, or planning your kid's birthday party. Microsoft's Copilot is here to do just that, offering assistance in real time while protecting your privacy and data. But what makes Copilot stand out? Let's explore. First, let's talk about Copilot's new features. Microsoft has integrated Copilot directly into Edge, their browser. With Copilot, you can answer questions, summarize pages, and even rewrite text with a simple command. And with Copilot Voice, you can interact naturally, asking questions or brainstorming on the go. Imagine getting an answer or advice without lifting a finger. Copilot's voice interaction makes it that intuitive. But that's just the beginning. Copilot Vision is another exciting feature, giving Copilot the ability to interpret what's on your screen in real time. Think about searching for furniture or planning a room makeover. Copilot Vision can suggest color schemes, provide options, and help you think through your choices without disrupting your workflow. It's like having a designer and assistant rolled into one, right in your browser. Copilot Daily offers a streamlined morning routine by summarizing news, weather, and upcoming events, all tailored to your needs. With trusted content from sources like Reuters and USA Today, Copilot makes it easy to stay informed without information overload. This feature is designed to simplify your day by delivering only the most relevant updates. Microsoft has also introduced Copilot Labs, where users can test experimental features like Think Deeper. This mode allows Copilot to tackle complex questions by providing detailed, step-by-step responses. Whether you're comparing options for a new car or deciding on a big move, Copilot's reasoning capabilities bring new depth to decision-making. With each update, Copilot becomes more adaptive, aligning with your personal style and preferences. Microsoft's goal is to make Copilot a companion rather than just a tool, offering support and encouragement in both big and small ways. The AI is designed not to replace human uniqueness, but to amplify it, acting as a partner in your day-to-day life. As we move into this new era of AI, Microsoft is showing us a vision where technology supports, teaches, and empowers us. Copilot's journey is just beginning, but its impact is already reshaping how we view AI as a part of our daily lives. And with features focusing on user privacy and data security, Microsoft is committed to keeping you safe while enhancing your digital experience. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on AI advancements and tech innovations. And if you want extra security online, check out the best VPN linked in the description below to keep your data safe. Stay informed, stay secure, and let AI help you unlock new possibilities.